I've hit 10K a month and I've gotten free clothes from some of the coolest companies out there, and you can do it too. It all started just because I threw myself out there. I didn't expect anything from it. I was just another guy in college, and then I finally graduated and I just kept going after it because I knew there was more to life than just going to school, trying to get A's and trying to just get a job and always succumb to the schedule of someone else. And I didn't want that for myself. I want to be able to go out with my friends without ever having to ask for permission. I want to be able to do whatever I want on my own terms, because you just got to own your time, man. And life's too short to do that. And why would I not want free stuff, get paid to make videos, and just enjoy life? Because life is so short. Every single time we think about, oh, it's so hard to do this, it's so hard to do that. But if you really think about it, life is so short. You can instantly think about the fact that you were 10 years old and it felt so long ago. But you can remember it. Time flies, bro. So why don't you make the most of it? So in this video, I want to tell you exactly how I was able to start getting brand deals like this and being able to just live a life that most 20-year-olds can never live. And it all starts with the mindset. I know it sounds cliche, but in all reality, all this free stuff, right? Every single thing, it all comes from the fact that I threw myself out there. I felt embarrassed to throw content out there on the internet. It's embarrassing. I've literally gone and done some weird stuff online and I got judged for it. But at the end of the day, these people don't have anything else better to do than judge me. What does it say about them? A lot. So why do I care what they think? Because while I'm out here trying to grind, trying to make fitness content, trying to add to my portfolio, trying to just throw stuff out there, they're engaged with my content and actually boosting me. So why would I even care? And even my friends and family directly, they're giving me criticism, okay? You're not doing exactly what I'm doing. You don't have the life that I want. Why should I care? Why should I care? Because you know what kind of life you want. If you want a life of 9 to 5, okay, then you can maybe listen to them, because most of our parents and friends live that life. But for me, I want to have an online entrepreneur lifestyle, and none of them live that life. So why would I listen to them? None of them are getting brand deals where they get free socks, free hats, free anime shirts. None of them. But why do I care what they think? It's so stupid. Like, there is so much hate out there, so much negative energy, that we let ourselves get consumed by that deters us from actually reaching our goals. And that right there is a reason why 99% of people out there have said, oh, I thought about a business, oh, I've thought of this. And they always say that, but they never do it, because maybe they tried, but then they quit. And you can't really get anywhere if you quit, because once you enter the game, you gotta keep playing the game. If you leave, you lost the game. So that's one of the biggest things, mindset. Another thing is you have to realize that it's actually possible. The fact that I am 22 and I finally hit 10K a month and I get cool stuff like this is a sign that you can do it too. I'm not that special. I'm just another guy on the internet, just another Asian kid. I was a nerdy math guy, nothing special. But guess what? I'm here. I have done it. I have all this clothing. I have all the tags on this. I have packages right here, just to show you. Too many to show you, but I didn't want to throw away all the trash. But just to show you that it's actually real. It's possible. If I can do it, a guy that was always shy, didn't want to be into fitness, but I ended up becoming a fitness guy and just putting myself out there, you can too. And the last thing, you have to learn a high income skill. Whether you want to like it or not, and believe it or not, the stuff they teach you in school is meant to enslave you. It's not meant for you to be able to live a life freely where you get to decide what you want to do on a nice Monday morning. I don't want to go into traffic in the morning and have to dread going in, clocking in, talking to my boss, lying and trying to live a life where I enjoy my time with my coworkers more than my free time with my family and friends and myself. I don't want that. So you have to learn a high income skill. Let's be realistic. You need money in this world. The economy is just getting worse and worse, and you got to be able to adapt. So what are you going to do about it? You got to learn a skill. So personally, what I have done is I have tried many side hustles. I've bought courses. I've invested over $40,000 to $50,000 by now in coaching and consulting from a bunch of different people. I've met some people, and I've also been burned a couple times. And that's part of the game, right? It sucks. It really does suck. Because I feel that people out there are genuinely good people, but then they don't give good fulfillment. I get screwed over. But hey, we're here today. We move on. And my best piece of advice to you, from someone that's literally tried drop shipping, affiliate marketing, I've looked into Amazon FBA, I've crypto traded, I've traded stocks, I've done options, I've done faceless content. I have looked into all of them. I've looked into real estate, Airbnb, but you can't do that. You can't, because it doesn't make sense for you right now. Real estate, obviously in the long run, that will make sense. But for you right now, if you want to get started in the game of business, from someone that's tried many different things, UGC is honestly where it's at, because you learn sales. Sales is probably one of the things out there that is honestly really good. Sales and UGC, but UGC teaches you more things than sales. Sales, you get to learn the way of talking and persuading and being very authoritative and convincing, but you need to learn content. Every single thing you do, you need to be good at content, because once you get good at distribution and marketing, you just get so multifaceted in all types of business. You can enter any business, you'll learn how to consult, you learn how to market, you learn how to portray yourselves online. You know so much. You have to learn how to pitch. You have to learn how to edit. You have to learn how to do so many things. This is the best business to start with no capital. Like, I'm not even trying to be biased. You don't have to have any capital to start. You literally only need your phone and Wi-Fi and just some brain cells. This is meant for people like us. People that want to just get started and want to get moving. And there's so many companies out there. You have every single company as your customer. So you have the option of starting UGC. And with that, you just gotta keep pitching and just adding to your portfolio, and then you'll finally get gigs, and you will become head of UGC of some companies. I become head of UGC for one of these companies here. I won't disclose their name yet, but it's possible. And if you really want to make it possible, you just have to throw yourself out there. I know it's super uncomfortable, but the only way for you to actually achieve the life that you always wanted is to live and act the way that you want to live. You can't be copying what everyone else is doing, which is the 9-to-5 life and the complete opposite of what you want. You have to go after the life that you've always dreamed of.